Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. So I was filming the drop test videos for this Alcatel 5059Z, and I somehow lost the beginning footage of when I did the first backdrop. It was from waist height, so when I include this clip in there, that's kind of the introduction at the beginning of the video. I don't know where it went, it just kind of disappeared, so I figured I'm going to throw this in there. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Some normal waist down, just like I normally do. Oh, that took some damage. Here's some marks up here. A little damage there in the corner, a little bit. Missing a SIM card, which it's always been that way. Camera lens is still good though. Front display still works. And no damage to it, as I would imagine. There wouldn't be. Alright, let's go ahead and hope for the best on a corner drop in 3, 2, 1. Came over here. It did hit on the corner though. Display still looks good. Maybe right here on this corner. It kind of just bounced around on all the corners. Definitely hit right here from the beginning. Probably bounced to this one and then this one. Display is still good. You can see it did kind of almost touch the glass. The glass still looks good. That's still some glue left over. I don't think this is going to survive the face down, to be honest with you. But in 3, 2, 1. So there it is, guys. I'm pretty sure that was it for this phone. Oh, it made it. A little damage up here. Looks like something right here. It definitely chipped it right in that corner though. But it's a survivor so far. Let's go ahead and do the backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. So we got some more damage down here in the corner. Other than that, definitely some right there. Looks like some of it will rub off, some of it won't. Display is still working. Glass is not cracked. I'm going to do a corner drop. 3, 2, 1. Probably the most perfect corner drop I've done all day, to be honest with you. I want to say hit this corner again. Yep. So phone is still working. It looks like it's pretty much got the same damage. Looks like it's on silent. We're going to do the face down from head height. 3, 2, 1. So let's see what we got. That one sounded like it kind of hit on one end and it bounced over. It's still working. It definitely chipped the glass up there even worse. I think we're going to do another face down drop. I'm not going to look at slow motion. I'm just going to go with it. It's not a very good one, so I might get a face drop twice. We'll see. In 3. Oh, the back cover actually came off. In 3, 2, 1. That was solid. As you can see, it instantly shattered. That was a perfect face down drop. Still working, LCD still good. It's definitely really sharp though. I think that's actually where it hit the first time when it did the face down that way. But I'm not going to throw this one because I'm actually going to keep the parts off this for another phone. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.